The next one Daisy told us about was animal communication. Let's try woofing like a dog in dog pose. Coming down onto our hands and knees, we tuck our toes and we press our hips up to the sky, going woof, 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 woof in our dog pose. Now let's try meowing like a cat in cat pose. Coming all the way back down onto our knees, we arch our back and we look into our tummies. Now we dip our belly down and we wiggle waggle our tail, going meow like a cat. Very good. Now let's try squeaking like a mouse in mouse pose. Untucking our toes, we sit back on our heels and we take our arms down by our sides with a squeak, 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 squeak. Very good animal communication. Now, let's try a kangaroo pose. Coming all the way up to sit, we put our hands in front of us, we tuck our toes, and we sit right the way back, trying not to wobble as we come up into our kangaroo pose. This is like Jumper, Wonder Woman's very own kangaroo. Let's do some bouncing about. Here we go. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, goodness me, that is very tiring. Let's sit with our legs crossed.